When inserting the crack and crevice straw into the Temprid Ready Spray can, we have a couple of different options. Once you remove the lid, you can either attach the straw to the nozzle while it's still attached to the can, or you can remove the nozzle and attach it first and then reseat the nozzle when you're done. Either way you go, it's going to be a firm fit into the nozzle. You may need to work it a few times to get it into the actual hole that it goes into. If your hands are not strong enough to get a good grip, you may need to get a pair of needle nose pliers. We want it to be a snug fit so that as you press the nozzle and the solution starts to spray, the straw does not come out. To show how to do it if you decide to remove the nozzle to reduce any chance of spray coming out as you're inserting the straw, you can lift straight up on the top of the can, hold the nozzle in one hand, straw in the other, come in at a slight angle to the hole rather than going straight directly into it, and place the straw inside. When you go to seat the nozzle back on the can, you want to make sure that you're doing so evenly and allowing it to sit down on it flush. Now, when you do this, in some instances, some of the spray may come out, so it's always great to have a box or a piece of cardboard or something nearby so that if any does spray, as you firmly seat it back into place, the spray can go somewhere safe and on a surface that is not an unwanted surface.